Happy Thursday. It's about 8:30 p.m. and we are on our way to our solid core class. It's gonna be our first time taking solid core together. It's my hubby's first class. He said first and last. Why do you say that? You've never even taken it. What if you love it?
Well, that'd be something, huh?
Yeah, I think you're gonna love it. Left at the light, go straight. Oh, God. You don't lose. Are we literally fighting before our solid core class?
Team again, your knees stay stacked over your ankles. Just for a little bit longer, 8 seconds, find stillness, 5 seconds. For left foot in front of right foot. Again, maybe today is the day.
Hubby wanted Panda Express, that's his favorite. And then after we were like, we should get a crispy Sprite from McDonald's. So here we are. And I was like, you know what? Let me get a McChicken while I'm at it. Since I earned it after my 10th solid core class, right, baby?
Solid core! Eating Panda in the McDonald's drive-thru.
Yep, we're being fatties tonight, but we deserve it. He's like, baby, I think you need to take a day off. I'm like, oh, all of a sudden, now you think I should take a day off. Don't worry, I'm taking a day off in 4 days, 4 more days, you guys, and then I'm home free. I cannot wait. Tomorrow my class is at 12:30 with Mina. I feel like I'm gonna sleep for like 2 hours and I'm gonna be back at it, but it's fine. I'm so ready to eat some Mickey D's right now. Ooh, we got a crispy Sprite. The carbonated drinks at McDonald's never disappoint. They're always extra carbonated. Is that one kind of out or am I tripping? Taste it. Could it be sweeter? Or am I just being a fatty? The immediate. I'm an idiot. The immediate hiccup. Oh, the shade. I'm an idiot.
I'm an idiot.
I'm an idiot? No, you didn't.
Even though I didn't do like anything special, like I was the catalyst. Like if I wasn't involved driving this deal, your contract with Duo.
Happy Friday, you guys. I'm on my way to my 12:30 solid core class. This is my 11th class. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I got hit by a ton of bricks this morning. I slept until like 10:32, so we shouldn't have had that fast food last night. That was a horrible decision, and I blame my hubby. No, I'm just kidding. I was like, why not? 1 in a row. We just had a workout. We earned it. We deserved it. But no, I don't recommend going to get Mickey D's after a solid core workout. I was on such a good track too, but my hubby wasn't feeling that good. And you know when you're not feeling good and you're just like craving something salty? The McDonald's did smack, aside from those nasty new chicken strips that they have. But was it worth it? No. Would I feel better if I didn't have it today? Yes, absolutely. But here we are. We're persevering. We're gonna make it through. I only have 3 more days after today. I cannot wait to be done with this challenge because I'm over it. This is like the hardest it's ever been at this point. So I hope it starts to get easier. But I know I can do it. I am listening to my body. So it's fine. I'm just tired. I just made myself a pre-workout. I've been reliant on pre-workout for the past couple of days. The rest of my workouts are 11:30 or 12:30, which is perfect for me because that means I can sleep in, still roll out of bed and go to my workout class. I'm trying something different today with my content on TikTok for like reels and stuff. So normally I do aesthetic content, like aesthetic get ready with me. But today I'm doing a realistic vlog. I thought it would be fitting since I'm struggling today. So might as well show you the reality of it. Another good thing about today's class is I'm going to see my bestie, Mina. She's at today's class. I don't know if I mentioned that. My brain is like mush at this point too. I need to go home and finish editing my vlog from last week. I finished the majority of it yesterday, but I need to finish it, upload it, so I don't have to worry about it this weekend. What I really need to do is take an Epsom salt bath, and I'm going to do that today for sure after today's class because your girl is dead. I just finished editing last Sunday's vlog, so I'm saving it right now before I can upload it to YouTube. Half a cup. Happy Saturday, it's about 3 p.m. I had my 12th solid core class at 12:30 with Mina earlier. I came home and washed my hair for the first time. It felt so freaking amazing. I have been meaning to wash my hair for a while now. I've just been kind of lazy and consumed with like filming and editing content, so I finally had time today, and I used these products that were sent to me by Lola V, if I'm pronouncing that right. This is Jennifer Aniston's hair care line. I didn't even know she had one. So I used her shampoo and conditioner. It smells really good. It smells like a spa. And then I'm gonna use this lightweight hair oil as well. And this glossing detangler for the first time. So I'm gonna style my hair with that along with my tried and true Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And of course I'm gonna use my bounce curl brush. If you have curly hair and you don't own one of these, please get on it because it will transform your hair, I'm telling you. It's about 10 p.m. I just got back from running errands with my husband. We also went to the gym. We've just been out and about. I diffused my hair to about 70% dry before we left the house, and now that it's completely dry, I need to finish filming the end of my video. And I'm also gonna try out this Lola V hair oil. Hopefully it doesn't weigh down my hair. I really love this oil because it doesn't leave my hair feeling greasy, oily, or heavy, so I hope this one is the same. That was a chop that I didn't know that I needed. How much length did we take off? I feel like we took off like at least 4 inches, right? Because my hair was like down to my belly button. We leave for Europe a week from tomorrow, you guys, which is so freaking crazy. So I got this laser hair removal treatment thing off of TikTok Shop, and when I was consistent with it, it really worked. So if I use it like every other day for this next week, I'm sure I'll have like way less hair growth. The main areas I'm using it on right now is under my pits and my bikini line. I'm not too worried about my bikini area though, because I'm not going to be in a bikini until the end of our trip when we're in the Amalfi Coast. It's just mainly my pits. Happy Sunday. I just got to my 12:30 solid core class. Today is my 13th class. I only have one more tomorrow after this, and I'm so freaking ready for this to be done, but I'm also just so freaking proud of myself. I've seen so many improvements within my body, and I just feel more confident already. I'm so excited to wear my new bikini in Europe. I'm extra excited about today though, because after class, Mina and I are gonna film some content. I brought my blue gingham set for her to change into, so she's gonna get her little workout in this, and then after we're gonna get some cute pictures. I'm giving her my lip combo lesson. It looks so good.
She's teaching me things, guys. I love it.
Looks so pretty.
Thank you.
Of course, but it looks like anything's there, right?
Yeah.
It looks so natural. Okay, so we'll let that dry, and then you can like finish it with the gloss. Oh, you gotta try that, girl.
Okay. We're teaming.
So excited for our content.
Me too. Oh my
It
gosh.
feels so good, right?
Yes, it feels like a massage. I just keep doing it.
Right? It's addicting. You need one.
Wow.
You. Yes, queen. Lips by Angel.
I love
So
it.
pretty.
Only you are accountable for the challenge you find here. So if that means toes, go for it. Maybe it's toes and hands. Maybe it's toes and hands to the platform bar. Baby, it's just surviving in this.
We survived the workout.
Oh my gosh, it was so good.
Right?
Yeah. Dude, I can't believe I love upper body now.
Yeah.
Like, I never loved it.
She kills upper body every time. I'm
Oh my
like,
gosh.
take a spring off, please. This is too hard. I had to take a spring off. I don't know how you did it. You're a beast. But we just finished freshening up in the bathroom, and now we're gonna go get a coffee at this little coffee carriage. Last time we got a matcha. Are you gonna do matcha again?
Yeah, I'm gonna do matcha for sure.
I'm gonna do a coffee, and then we're gonna get our cute content. We look so cute. I told her it looks like the only thing we're missing are hand weights.
Literally.
We got our little scrunch socks on. I gave her mine. Let me show you her shoes though. They're so perfect. She has the blue ones. I had the pink ones.
Twinning.
Literally, love it. We're looking for our content inspo right now.
Coffee to my matcha.
Oh yeah, the coffee to my matcha is so cute. Okay, love that.
Okay.
All right, where should we set up for that? All right, this is our location that we just sought out. I think it would look so cute, us just either standing or sitting here. Mina's setting her phone up. Cheers. Freaking cute. I think we just found our new favorite spot because look at these salads. They look so freaking good.
And it's
Yours looks
vegan.
better than mine.
Oh my gosh,
Like,
I'm so
what?
excited.
What the hell? Happy Thursday. I know I haven't vlogged in a couple of days, but I finally finished my solid core challenge. I'm so freaking proud of myself. I can't believe I did that. I have so much content, you guys. I'm just like trying to repurpose it all to Instagram, and I'm posting 2 reels a day, which is kind of excessive. I like to just post 1 reel a day. I just ended up making so much solid core content, and I don't want it to go to waste, so of course I'm gonna repurpose it. Anyways, the last couple of days, my husband and I have been doing warm yoga, and oh my gosh, even though I was doing solid core, the warm yoga class still kicked my butt. I'm so freaking sore in my shoulders. Those chaturangas get me every freaking time. We leave for Europe in 2 days. I could not believe it. I started packing. I have my suitcase over there. I want to make like a cute little aesthetic reel with my suitcase saying like, this girl's going to Europe. They're trending right now on Instagram and social media. So I started to get it together, but I need to finish it, and it's gloomy outside. So it's just not going to happen today because I need some sort of natural light. Well, I could probably make it work, but I think I'm going to shoot for tomorrow. Let me see what the weather is going to be like tomorrow, just in case. Ew, it's supposed to be raining all week. It's disgusting. But I was looking at the weather forecast for Paris, you guys, and it's gloomy over there right now too, but it's clearing up just in time for when we get there. So it's gonna be sunny Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thank God, because I don't know what I would do. I would be so upset if it was raining out there, but either way, it would be a great time. I'm just super happy that it's gonna be sunny, especially because we're gonna be leaving this gloomy weather out here. My husband and I are gonna go shopping for some last minute things pretty soon. So I found this Madden Girl sling bag at Kohl's, but I love the floral print one. So I want to go check this out in person and possibly buy it. Let me show you the bag that I ordered off of Amazon. This is a sling bag that I ordered off of Amazon. I think it's pretty cute. It's like neutral. I feel like it will go with most of my outfits if I do keep it. It's perfect if you didn't have a tripod, or if you have like a tripod that would fit, because this would fit my vlogging camera. I want it to fit obviously my portable chargers that I have, but see, it's just too small for this because I want to be able to bring this with me when we're out during the day, because my hubby's going to be taking content of me, but I want content of the both of us, and I don't want to have to ask people to take our picture all the time, or to have to worry about pickpocketers, you know, like you never know if the person that you're asking to take your picture is going to try to steal your phone. I just don't want to have to worry about that. So that's why it's really important for me to bring this. This is one of the videos that I saved for the aesthetic suitcase I was telling you about. And this is what I have so far. It clearly needs work, and like I said, because it's so gloomy outside, that doesn't help. But I ordered 2 new books, and this is one of them. I haven't even started reading it yet, but I ordered this to get me in the spirit. This is a romance novel that takes place in Europe. I found it on TikTok. And this is my new bikini that I was telling you guys about. How beautiful is this print? I feel like it's so me. I love the little ruffle detailing. It's so freaking soft. It's from Blackbow, the same brand that I got my one piece from. from that I was wearing in my last vlog. I feel like their stuff kind of runs a little small, so I ordered a medium and it fits perfect. It's about 4:30 and it looks like it's 7:30. But I was messing around with my suitcase and this is what I got. I feel like I'm happy with it, but I'm happy with it, but I feel like it could look a little bit better. My camera was sitting right there, but it's gonna be from this angle. So yeah, I think it's cute. I didn't vlog when we went to the store yesterday because my hubby drove me to 3 different Kohl's locations just to get this bag because it said there was 1 in stock at all of the 3 locations. But of course it ended up only being at the last location. The first 2, they were just saying like, oh, maybe someone just bought it or something, which I hate when that happens. It was a little hectic and we were driving all over, so I forgot to vlog, but look how beautiful she is. I got her on sale. She was like less than $30. And my tripod fits in it perfectly. So this is gonna be my Europe bag. It is a little big, but it's fine. I'm gonna take it off for my photos so it's not that big of a deal. I am just a little concerned about it getting dirty because I feel like I got a little bit of makeup on it already on accident. You can't really tell, but I'm like, ugh, I have to be really careful putting it on, otherwise my makeup's gonna get all over the strap. And of course I'm wearing the IT Cosmetics tinted moisturizer today and I drag it down onto my neck. I'm like testing it out to see if I wanna bring it with me to Europe. It has SPF 50 in it. I don't usually like wearing like a full face of makeup, foundation. I usually just like wearing concealer. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear it on the trip. I love how it evens my skin tone out though. It's just, I'm gonna get it all over my bag if I wear it. It'll be fine either way. I don't think anyone's really gonna notice. I prepped my nails because I'm about to do those next. I just filed them down and reshaped them. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I need to finish packing and just getting everything together so I don't forget anything. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.